At Forbes Marshall, we understand the importance of bridging the gap between theoretical and practical knowledge. Our programs have evolved beyond internships, offering the skills needed for career growth through hands-on training and academic collaborations. Partnering with leading institutions globally, we provide students and faculty with up-to-date industrial skills and knowledge. Initiatives like our Thermodynamics Connect program enhance learning in thermal, design, and materials engineering through sponsored projects and competitions. Our online and offline expert talk series for members of industry and academia aim to explain the theory and also practical applications of STEAM in industry. At our state-of-the-art training center in Chakan, Pune, we host training programs, experiments and projects for students and faculty. Our postgraduate STEAM engineering program combines practical exposure with theoretical learning. Bodhi Tree, our flipped classroom in collaboration with IIT Bombay, provides recorded courses on thermodynamics and control systems, which can be accessed globally. These efforts drive innovation and help us build a legacy of knowledge, growth, and excellence through meaningful academic partnerships